Hello guys, in this video I will show you if you can't access Flutter from your terminal. If you just type Flutter and if you're getting this error message that Flutter is not recognized as an internal or external command, potentially there are two reasons. First of all, if you haven't installed the Flutter inside your system, then definitely type Flutter download and download the Flutter by going to the website. Just type Flutter download SDK. Just select Windows and just select whichever device. But I have already installed the Flutter SDK, but still I am getting this error message. Flutter is not ready. For fixing this error message, you need to go to the location where Flutter is installed. So by default, Flutter is installed in the C drive, and just go to the folder program files, and then you will find a folder named as Flutter. So this folder will be there. Just go to this folder and go to the bin folder, and here all the executables are present. If you see Flutter Dart, so if you try to open command line here and just type the Flutter command, you will see the Flutter command will definitely work. So now we just need to make sure we add this entire path. Right click, copy, and just open environment variable, and then go to environment variable, just go to system variable, go to the path and just paste this path right here. So after doing this, okay, and just restart the terminal and just type the same command. So you will see it will print out the Flutter version. Now you'll be able to access Flutter from your terminal. And thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image. And I will be seeing you in the next video.